How to delete your Threads account. Launch the Threads app. Once you are in the Threads app, click on Profile. In the Profile section, click on the two lines at the top right corner. This will take you to Threads settings. Look for the option labeled Account. In the account settings, click on either Deactivate Profile or Delete Profile. Choose Deactivate Profile if you wish to temporarily deactivate your account for a few days or months. Choose Delete Profile if you want to permanently delete your account. If you choose to delete your profile, you will be prompted to enter your password. Input your password and then click on Delete Threads Profile. After completing these steps, your Threads account will be permanently deleted. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions related to this process, please leave a comment below, and I will try to assist you as soon as possible. Thank you.